fix we can't set up mobile hotspot error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Run the network adapter troubleshooter. Solution 2. Update network driver. If that didn't work. Solution 3. Check the internet connection sharing service. Solution 4. Modify the wireless network adapter properties. Uncheck the Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power option if it's currently selected. Press the OK button to save the changes and close the window.